Hi everyone, this is the first of the month. Today is the 1st of November 2019. As you can see, it's raining heavily, but I have to do this. Make sure you subscribe to our channels for more strategies. Today we are going to drop two strategies, one on the new channel and one on the old channel. These are channel URL. These are channel URL. So this is the old channel and this is the new channel. So make sure you check both channels today, 1st of November 2019, for the strategies. So this is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test this on demo before you go live. So these are the rules for this strategy. So in case the barrier outside requires more digits, you can add 2 to it. So let's get back to the trading. So I've logged in. Remember, I'm using the webtrader. So make sure you use the webtrader after signing up using this link. So this is what we are starting with right now. So I'm going to open the trade first. We'll open volatility 75. Then we'll open the chart as well so that we can set our indicator. We will trade 6 times. So I'm going to go open the indicator. I'm going to go to overlap studies. Then we are using the whole average. That's the whole moving average. So we'll scroll right up here. So this is it right here. Then we'll scroll down and click on OK. So we're going to change this to tick. Then we are going to move this close for us to be able to see the line movement. Move it very, very close. Okay. So we're going to change this to touch, no touch. We click on no touch. Then we'll leave this in 5 ticks. So we're going to set our barrier offset to plus 190. So I'm going to be staking 100 USD. So if you stake 10 USD, you'll be making 0.76. If you stake more, you will make more profits. So I'm going to be staking 100 USD. Depends on what you have in your account. You can start low. So we are going for trade number 1. We are trading 6 times. So we are working with this line. Once it's at the middle level, we click on purchase. Once it's at the middle level, we click on purchase. So you can wait for it to go down and go back to the middle level. This is the middle level. We'll click on purchase. You can see we are close. It has passed the middle level. We'll click on purchase right here. So once the moment is above the middle level, we click on purchase. So we want the first trade. We are going for trade number 2. You have to wait for it to go down and goes right above the middle level. Once it goes above the middle level, this is the middle level right here. You can see is this line. So let it go down first and move right above the middle level again. So this is the middle level. You can see is it right here. So let it goes above it. So we'll go for trade number 2 now. That's trade number 2. Sorry, it's still down. Remember, we are dropping 2 strategies today. One will be posted on the old channel and one on the new channel. So make sure you watch both strategies. It's going up. It's above it, so click on purchase. So we want that trade. We are going for trade number 3. Remember, we are trading 6 times. We have to wait for it to go down, go right above the middle level. This is the middle level. So it has to be above it before we click on purchase. We are working with the blue line. So it's above it a bit. So it's above. Click on purchase. So that's trade number 3. We want that trade. We are going for trade number 4. So we have to wait for it to go right down and move above the middle level again before we are working with this blue line. You can see it's up. So we have to wait for it to go down, to go below the middle level, and also go back above the middle level before we click on purchase again. So we are going for trade number 4. You can see it's still up, so I have to wait for it to go right down before we click on purchase. Once it goes above the middle level again, you can see it's up, so you have to wait. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more strategies. Subscribe to both channels. So we have to wait for, you can see it's still up, you have to wait. You can see it has gone down, it has gone above it again, start going down a bit. So it must go down and go back up before we click on purchase. So that's trade number 4. We are going for trade number 5. Remember, we are trading 6 times. So after this, you can see it's down, so it has to go above the middle level. This is the middle level. Once it goes above it, click on purchase. It's down. It's down again. You can see it's up. Click on purchase. It goes right above the middle level. So that's our trade number 5. Let's wait for the outcome. So as you can see, we won the 5th trade, so we are going for the last trade. So we have to wait for it to go right down and go right up again. So it's down, it's up a bit, it's down again, so we have to wait for it to go right up above the middle level. This is the middle level, it has to go above it. We are working with the blue line. It's going up at the moment, it's up, it's above it. So that's our last trade, so let's wait for the outcome. So as you can see, we won all the trades. So if you do the maths, we make 7.64 in each trade. So if you multiply that by that's 7.64 times 7, so we make $53.48 just in a few minutes. So as you can see, the strategy is 100% guaranteed, so make sure you have patience when you are using this strategy. You have to wait for this blue line to go right down and go back up again. So don't forget to subscribe to the channels, and don't forget to use this link to sign up for a trading account to support all our strategies. So and make sure you share the video among other traders. Thanks for watching. Bye.